Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 more basic tap steps that every beginning tap dancer should learn. So the first one to start are digs. So you do these with your heel. You're going to focus on that heel part of your tap shoe. So I'm going to show you a side view so that you can see them easily, and then I'll show you the back view. So heel digs, you're going to take that heel, that back part of your heel, and you're going to just dig it into the ground, hence the name. So pick up your foot and you're going to dig it into the ground. Okay, so again, pick it up and dig. Okay, so as you can see, you're kind of like scraping the floor or digging into the floor with that heel of your foot. Okay, so same on the other side. So if you want to do left side, just pick up your foot and dig your heel into the ground. It doesn't make too much noise, but it makes kind of a thud noise. So back view now, right foot again, pick up your foot and dig it into the ground. Good, and the other side. Good, nicely done. So those are digs. The next step that I'm going to go over is called, so that it can either be called toes or toe or tips. So with this one, you're going to take that front part of your shoe, the very toe of your shoe, and you're going to bring it behind you and just hit that top of your toe. So pick up your foot and then just hit that top part of your shoe. Okay, so again, you don't want to do the very top of your foot, so that where your toes are, and you don't want to go on the metal part, so that would be a step, right? So you want to go right on that tip, and you're just going to hit the ground and bounce off the ground. Most of the time you hit it and bounce. Sometimes it'll stay on the ground, but most of the time it'll bounce off the ground. Okay, same with the left side. Pick up your foot and just hit that toe on the ground. Same with the digs. These make a thud sound, kind of a nice hard thud sound. So from the back, when you do it, just bouncing your toe off the ground. And same with the other side. Good, nicely done. All right, so the third step that I'm going to go over is called a step. So with these, you want to think about just stepping on that front metal piece of your shoe and keeping your heels off the floor. Okay, so this is a nice light sound, and you should just step onto that toe. So usually we use these to like walk forward as if you're just walking on your toes, stepping, right? So steps. And remember to keep your heels off the floor. From the back, they should look like this. So just stepping on that front toe part of your shoe, metal toe part. All right, the next step we have are stomps. So stomps, typically, you do with your full foot. Steps were just on that toe. Stomps, you're now going to use your full foot, and you're going to bring it right back up. Okay, so you see these a lot in time steps. And I'll get to those in a later video. But you want to think about hitting the ground and picking your foot right back up. Okay, so those are stomps. And you want to think about hitting both that toe piece and the heel piece at the same time. Some on the left side now. Here we go. So you want to make sure they're hitting at the same time, and that it's not making a two sound thing, either heel toe or toe heel. Hit at the same time. Okay, from the back, they should look like this. And same on the other side. Good. So the other version of that is called a stamp. So those are stomps, and then there's also a thing called a stamp. So stamps are where you stomp your foot and you leave it down on the ground. Okay, so these ones usually tend to walk, whereas stomps stay in place. Okay, so stamps, you want to think about hitting your foot and you're going to leave it there. Same with the other side, right? Okay, so same thing as a stomp, but you're leaving it on the floor. Okay, same thing to the back as well. Good, nicely done. The last few steps that I'm going to go over in today's video are called toe and heel drops. So we'll start with the heel drops, and I'm going to face the back so you can see. What you want to think about on these heel drops is you want to pick up just your heel. You want to keep your toe in place, so don't let it slide forward. You want to keep your toe in place, just pick up your heel, and then just drop them down. Okay? So pick it up, drop them down. Pick up, drop. And then you can go faster with these. And then you can go even faster. You lose your sound though if you go too fast. So those are heel drops. Let me show you from the side. You're just picking up that heel and dropping it down. Keep your toe on the floor. Pick up, drop down. Same thing on the left. Pick it up, drop down. Good, nicely done. The other one, toe drops. So same deal, you're just picking up your toe. Keep your heel in place. You don't want it to slide. Keep your heel in place and drop it down. Same on the other side. You can go faster, faster, faster. Again, you kind of lose your sounds and lose momentum as you go faster. So again, just picking up your toe, drop it down. Yeah? These have a little bit of a louder sound than the heel drops. So from the side, left foot, pick it up, drop it down. Same thing on the right, pick it up and drop it down. Good. You're almost thinking as if you're tapping your toe to the beat of a song. So those are toe drops. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you want me to break down a particular step, let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.